How to use Paypenny app in Germany. If you're living in Germany and looking for an easy, fast, and secure way to send money to any country, then this video is for you. Paypenny is a convenient and best app for sending money to your loved ones in your home country. Today, we're showing you how to use the Paypenny app, step by step. Start by downloading the Paypenny app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up using your German mobile number and a valid email address. After registering, you'll need to complete the KYC process to verify your identity. This includes uploading a government-issued ID like your passport or residence permit. Verification is usually fast, within a few minutes. Once verified, go to the Send Money section. Add your recipient's bank details in any country. Enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the exchange rate. Paypenny offers zero transfer fees and competitive rates. You can also track transactions in real time and contact 24/7 customer support if needed. It's simple, safe. Download Paypenny today and make your next money transfer hassle-free. Thanks for watching.